Imagine leaving Universal Orlando one evening, surrounded by pumpkins, fog machine, and Halloween decorations. The scare zones are still there. And then you go back to your hotel room, have a nice sleep, and the next morning you see Christmas trees, garlands, thousands of sparkling lights. Holiday music is blasting everywhere. How is that even possible? Today we are going behind the scenes to explore one of Universal Orlando's most impressive achievements. The incredible overnight transformation that most of the guests never even noticed. So, welcome back. Sorry, I am still suffering from a little bit of the cold. It's nearly done, but my voice is still a little bit weak. And as you maybe saw in one of my last videos, my grandfather is at the moment in his dying process. My grandmother has severe dementia. She can't be alone for a single minute anymore. We are looking for places that can help us taking care of her because this is just not possible. And yeah, this is why I am maybe sounding not as joyful and cheerful as usually, but hey, I will be back in Orlando in a couple of weeks, so I'll be fine, and every life is coming with up and downs. So I know the next up will be much higher and I will have a lot of fun at Universal. And yeah, every life needs to end at one point, and it's just hard for those who are still there and need to see and need to take their time to process everything that was going on. But not longer will I talk about sad stuff. Let's get into the topic and have fun together. So today's video isn't about a ride that Universal is doing. It's about something almost every guest experience, but very few people ever think about. How an entire resort can transform in just one night. Let's start with the transformation that begins long before guests leave. When we think about overnight transformation, it's just easy to imagine hundreds of cast members simply arriving after closing. But that is only the final chapter. The planning often begins months in advance. Every decoration has a location. Every lightning display has a schedule. Every team knows exactly where they will be working this night. And this isn't improvisation. It is choreography. So as you know, I majored in musicals, so I am really interested in stuff like that, how they are staging everything so everything is working out perfect. Now let's talk about the moment the gate closes for the day. The last guest leave, music fades, and the attraction begins shutting down. But for thousands of team members or cast members, the work is only beginning. Maintenance crews come in, electricians, landscapers, and entertainment technicians. The decor teams will arrive together with cleaning crews. And the operation staff will be there as well. The park doesn't go to sleep. It changes just the shift. Think about everything you see during the holidays. Christmas trees, bows, decorated storefronts, and a lot of holiday displays. And then start thinking about something even smaller. Let's talk about the lights. Thousands of light bulbs have to be installed, tested, and connected so that by morning the resort feels completely transformed. Guests simply walk in and smile. They rarely see the extraordinary effort that made that moment even possible. So, let's talk about why it has to happen overnight. People often ask, why not decorate over several days? And the answer is simple, and we talked a lot about it. It is immersion. Universal wants you to experience the magic all at once. One evening you are celebrating Halloween, the next morning, boom, Christmas. That surprise is part of the experience. It is almost like watching a movie. It's the changes just before in front of your eyes, and you expect you see something that you never seen before, and the crew of Universal is making exactly this happening overnight. Now let's talk about teamwork on an incredible scale. No single department could accomplish this immense task alone. Maintenance keeps everything safe. Electricians power the displays. And entertainment ensures every themed area still tells the right story. Operations coordinate schedules. And housekeeping keeps the park looking perfect. Every team contributes to this. And every task depends on another on a big scale, so everything can get completed in one night. Think of it like a giant puzzle that only works because everyone trusts each other and everyone is working together with each other. Now let's talk about the details that guests most of the time never noticed. And this is one of my favorite things about Universal. It is that the biggest effort often goes into the smallest details. Lights are hidden so wiring can disappear. Decorations blend naturally into each themed land. The music changes, even the atmosphere just feels different. Most guests simply think, Christmas is here. And that is exactly the reaction Universal is hoping for. When something just feels effortless, then it's usually because an enormous amount of work had happened behind the scenes. Now let's talk about that all of it is more than decorations. These transformations aren't really just about the Christmas lights. They are about emotions. The moment a child sees a Christmas tree, the excitement of returning to discover an entirely different park overnight. The tradition families create by visiting every holiday season. The decorations help create these memories. And in fact, that is their real purpose to begin with. So, the next time you will visit Universal during a seasonal event, take just a moment and look around. Not just the decorations. Think about the people. Hundreds of cast members worked through the night so that your first impression could simply be, wow, this is amazing. Sometimes the greatest magic isn't what we see. It is everything that happens while we are sleeping. So, what is your favorite seasonal transformation at Universal Orlando? Halloween Horror Nights, Christmas, Mardi Gras, or another celebration I completely forget about? I just love to hear your favorite memories in the comments. So thank you so much for watching today's video. I will see you guys in my next video tomorrow. Have a wonderful day and goodbye.